Here are 69 productive things to do instead of scrolling your phone. Go for a walk in nature. Clean your room. Have a bath. Go work out. Draw something. Drink some water. Cook something. Call a friend you haven't spoken to in ages. Spend time with your parents. Meditate. Solve a puzzle. Organize your wardrobe. Start a new hobby. Sell things you don't want anymore. Annoy your parents. Vacuum your home. Water your plants. Do what you're supposed to be doing right now. Organize a day out with friends. Make a coffee. Like the video since it's free. Read a book. Clean up your camera roll. Plan the week ahead. Get started on an assignment or work task. Have a cold shower. Update your resume. Do some yoga. Practice gratitude. Play a board game with friends. Take a quick nap. Listen to some music. Take a trip to the shops. Go to the cinema with friends or family. Practice shadow boxing. Go for a bike ride. Explore your local area. Learn to play an instrument. Help out your community. Pray. Go on a picnic. Clean out your refrigerator. Play with your pets. Organize your nightstand. Go swimming. Listen to a podcast. Prepare a gym routine. Go to a theater or concert. Write down 5 future goals. Write a letter to someone. Expand your vocabulary. Decorate your room. Watch a documentary. Go to the library. Write a bucket list. Plan your dream holiday. Learn a unique skill. Go stargazing. Make someone smile. Get a haircut. Brainstorm ideas for a new side hustle. Try a new study technique. Visit your local park. Organize your finances. Write a story. Learn a magic trick. Plan for tomorrow. Build a pillow fort. And subscribe if you like the video.